Alright, I want to show you how to pass multiple variables to PHP and process them. Let me explain. I have this product page that I've been working on, and what happens is you can add as many images as you want. Okay? Now, with adding new input boxes to the page, how do you know what to pass to PHP? Normally, in a page, you get information by requesting the name attribute. For these, long description, name equals. For example, long description, the name equals, desk underscore long. So to get that, you would do underscore post, right? Assuming I use the square bracket. So that's how you get the value of the post. When you pass it as a name, it's a post variable. That's just how it works. So how do we get multiple ones? So let me explain. These are brand new. So am I generating brand new names each time? How do I know what to grab? Do I test for it? That's all way too much work. So here's what we do. We want the name to be image. We don't want image 1, image 2, image 3, right? We just want image. But there's a trick we can do that HTML and PHP share, and that's arrays. So we're going to create a name array. Let me show you what I mean. These are dynamically created in this function called addImage right here. Okay? addImage adds this input field. Now take a look at the name right here. Name equals image bracket count, as in it counts how many there are. I have that up here. Right, actually, here's how count works. It grabs the image links, the div that these are all in. It finds the image tags and counts them. That's how it knows how many. And this creates something similar to this. Let me actually, let's see, inspect element so I can show you exactly what I mean. Take a look. The name is image bracket 0. And if we look at another one, image bracket 1. And another one, image bracket 2. So they're all named image. So let me show you what this gives us. Okay, let's refresh this page and let's go to our testing page and we'll just echo image and see what it says. Okay, the way I have this set up is, let me actually show you that. When we submit that form, I'm using Ajax to submit the form. You don't have to though. All it's going to do, it's returning false, so it's going to use my Ajax. All it's going to do is alert the data. So we're calling testing.php and we're sending it the form data. I have a different function up here that's calculating the form data. Don't worry about that. You could pass it normally. I'm doing that for my own purposes. We're just going to alert that data, which is basically going to be whatever we're echoing here, which is going to be image. So let's see what happens. So we'll add an image and we'll say hello, right? And then we'll submit that. It says array. It does not say hello. It says array. So that brings to mind, that's a post variable. So what if we do bracket 0, for example, okay? Now we refresh, reload, and we say hello, and we hit submit, and now it says hello. So now you can see how we could easily transform this into a for each underscore post image as key, right? And then just echo underscore post and underscore post and just do key, and then just for the alert purposes we'll add a \n for a line break. And take a look, reload, we'll add 4, we'll say hello, and then how are you, and let's add one more for doing, and we submit that, and hello, how are you doing? So now you can see how you can easily get a bunch of variables from an HTML page by simply just using an array name instead of a normal name.